Today we're diving into one of the most exciting topics in football right now. Why Anthony is the best player in La Liga. Before starting, you can check Nike Phantom GX shoes in the description. Whether you're a fan of his team or not, but there's no denying that Anthony has been absolutely electric this season. So let's break it down that what make him stand out in one of the most competitive leagues in the world. First, let's talk about his consistently delivering when it matters the most, but it's not just about the stats, it's about when he delivers. Anthony has a knack for showing up in big moments, whether it's a clutch goal in a tight match or a game changing assist that turns the tide. These moments aren't just highlights, they prove of his ability to perform under pressure, and that's what separates good players from great ones. Now let's talk about his play style. Anthony is a wizard with the ball at his feet. His dribbling is mesmerizing, combining quick footwork with explosive speed. But what really sets him apart is his creativity. He's not just fast, he's unpredictable. Defenders never even know if he is going to cut inside, take it down the line, or pull off an outrageous skill move. Seriously, how do you defend that? It's just like playing a different game sometime. And let's not forget his vision. Anthony isn't just a goal scorer, he's a playmaker. His ability to pick out a pass or create space for his teammates is on another level. Beyond the individual brilliance, Anthony's impact on his team is undeniable. He's not just a star player, he's a leader on the pitch. His energy and passion are contagious, and you can see how much he lifts the spirits of his teammates, whether it's tracking back to help defensively or railing the squad during tough moments. Anthony gives 100% in every single game. That kind of attitude is priceless. It's not just about talent, it's about heart, and Anthony has both in spades. Now, some might argue that there are other players in La Liga who are just as good, if not better, and for players like Vinicius Junior, Lewandowski, and Griezmann are incredible in their own rights. But there's the thing, Anthony brings something unique to the table. His combination of flair, work rate, and clutch performances make him a complete package. When you watch him play, you can see why he is in his own league. He's not just competing with other players, he's setting a new standard. So what's next for Anthony? He's already one of the best players in La Liga, and his potential is sky high. If he continues on this trajectory, we could be looking at a future Ballon d'Or winner. And for his team, he's the key for challenging for titles and dominating both domestically and in Europe. One thing is for sure, the brightest is the future for Anthony, and we're all here to see his witness to the greatness. So what do you think? Is Anthony the best player in La Liga right now? Let us know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you never miss out our football content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.